Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
Philip Morris, obviously, right? Cigarette company, has been for hundreds of years, for over 100 years, etc. Now, with Philip Morris, what's really interesting, one of the obvious things that's interesting about Philip Morris is as reported metrics really don't help you comprehend just how profitable it is to be in the vice business, right? To be in the cigarette making business, this is a 16% ROI business, it's a 56% ROI business. But actually, the bigger issue for Philip Morris when you think about valuations is this company's trading at a 14 times multiple, in reality a 13 times multiple on an as reported distorted basis. And you look at that and you think, if you're a investor, you'd say, oh, you know what, I've got a stable, decent ROA business on an as reported basis, high ROA business on a uniform accounting basis, and this company on an as reported basis looks like it's growing pretty robustly in 3 of the last 4 years, right? That it has been actively reinvesting in the business. I'd say, wait a second, a company that has high, stable returns and a low valuation that's reinvesting, that looks too pessimistic. Well, the reason why this company trades so cheaply is because it hasn't been actively reinvesting, right? In 5 of the last 6 years, it's pretty regularly shrunk this business. And all of a sudden you go, oh, well, yeah, the market is looking at a melting ice cube of a cigarette business and gets the fact that this company isn't going to be sustainably throwing off the cash flow it's throwing. Yeah, that's why it's trading at a cheaper multiple. All of a sudden, the analysis makes sense. And you can see that in the white bars here too, right? Well, it's trading at a cheap 12 times multiple. If I expect returns to assets to continue to shrink, well, really all the market is basically pricing in is for returns to be flat. I look at that valuation and I go, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, right. Literally, I don't have to spend any more time investigating Philip Morris, building a model, calling analysts, having investment community discussions, because I can basically look at this and go, yeah, the market gets it. We can move on.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.